In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Proforma invoice using Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to refine your process, I'll guide you through each step to make sure you're ready to send professional invoices to your clients with ease. To get started, first, you'll want to open Zoho Books in your preferred browser. In this case, we're using Chrome as it tends to offer a seamless user experience with Zoho. Once you have Chrome up and running, go ahead and log into your Zoho Books account. Make sure you've entered your credentials correctly to land on your dashboard. With Zoho Books open, your next move is to navigate over to the Sales module. You can find this easily on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you click on Sales, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, the option you're looking for is Estimates. Click on it, and this will redirect you to the section where you manage and create your estimates. To create a Proforma invoice, you'll click on New Estimate. This button is typically located at the top right corner of your screen and is the gateway to crafting your invoice. Clicking New Estimate will open a new form where you can input all the necessary details. Start by entering the customer information. Accurate customer information is critical as it ensures your invoice reaches the right person. Input their name, contact information, and any other pertinent details that Zoho prompts you for. Once your customer details are filled out, you'll move on to adding the product details. Be precise about the products or services you're invoicing for. Include the product name, description, quantity, and applicable price. Ensuring this information is clear can help avoid any confusion later on. Users can also add discounts or taxes where needed, making sure the client gets a comprehensive view of what they're being billed for. Before you finalize, give your details a once-over to confirm everything looks correct. Making sure your invoice is accurate before it's sent out reflects well on your business. Once satisfied, locate the Save button. It's important to save your work, ensuring that you don't lose any valuable input. After saving the Proforma invoice, you'll want to send it to your client. Zoho Books enables you to do this directly from the platform, streamlining your workflow. Simply look for the Send option, usually near the Save button, and proceed to email the invoice to your client. It's as easy as that, and there you have it. A complete Proforma invoice ready to be delivered to your client. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing your invoicing efficiently using Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.